a way to remember Balloon Fiesta all year long? Then pick up a copy of the 2019 calendar. Available all along Main Street and in the official merchandise tents, this year's calendar comes to life with your smartphone. That's right, download the Pix Action app from your favorite app store. Then open the calendar to any month and point your phone's camera at the monthly picture. The picture magically turns into a video of Balloon Fiesta. Each month has a different video, so you can relive the sights and sounds of Balloon Fiesta every day of the year. Check it out. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Open the app, point your phone at the calendar, and enjoy the video. Calendars are a great gift. Buy them anywhere along Main Street and in the official merchandise tents at the north and south ends of Main Street.